Alright you guys, welcome back to another video on another missed opportunity. Alright guys, so this is the name of the game. Alright, so we're not using pump anymore guys. You see, most of the coins here don't go anywhere besides on this website. They don't, they don't graduate to other websites like Radium, like Dex Screener, like other big, Coinbase, stuff like that. They don't graduate from this website. All these just stay on here, and the chances of you rugging and making a lot of money with coins on here is a total waste of time, right? That, and this is the trend right now. So you better hop on it, and before it does not become a trend anymore, right? So trends come and go, and so I just want to make this quick video on how to do this thing, right? The rug pulling. All right, so we're not using Pump Fund, but you can look at Pump Fund for all the coins that you could have made today, right? Because today was a big day with Trump and Zelensky. So you see here, boom, one coin there about that interview they had. One right here, boom, right? This dirt face. If you scroll down, look, they made him into a midget. If you're scrolling down, maybe this one looks like it. It keeps going down right here, another one to the left, another one here to the right, one here in the middle, they made him into a little baby, another one here with his big ass nose. Here they turn him into a dog. So see, guys, this is what you want to look for. So, always keep this in handy, right? And so you always want to have Twitter on, right? You always go to the most trending topics on Twitter, because Twitter is where memes are born, guys. And so all you gotta do is go to Twitter, right? Go to the most trending, right? And Zelensky is the most number one trending topic right now. And all you gotta do, guys, is find funny pics, right, of his face, or maybe even Trump together, right? Like the ones you saw, Zelensky versus Trump. Find funny pictures like this and just clip them, right? What's another good one? Let's see. Boom, you can clip all this together and make it into a meme coin, and I'm pretty sure, you know, this is your only chance to make money like this, guys, in 2025. So don't be missing out. But, what I was gonna get to is, we're not gonna be using pump no more. So you can take that right out of your freaking tabs and go ahead and, go on to memefast.fun, right? The reason why we're using this website now, right, is because it lets you copy the latest trending coins from Pump Fund in one click and deploy them on Radium before the community does, right? So these coins that you create on here, they graduate into Radium, right, and Dex Screener and all these other, big meme coin pages that people go into to find legit coins, right, with the most amount of coding that makes them believe that it's not a scam, nothing like that going on, right? So you want to go onto this and go ahead and make a meme coin. All right, so how do you make a meme coin? You want to go ahead and click on your Solana wallet, right? um, Make sure it's connected, right? Go create a coin, right? You could type whatever it is, right, you want, right? You have 32 characters. We can go ahead and put capital T versus Z, for Trump versus Zelensky. Maybe we can do, um, let's say, uh, token name could be, I don't know, I'm drawing a blank right now. America versus uh, Ukraine. Token symbol can be T, capital T, versus Z, right? And just you're gonna go ahead and find a funny ass picture. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clip this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click screen snip. Boom. Screen snap that. Boom. Save that. The downloads. Alright, get that out of the picture. So now you go back to memefast. Go here. Downloads. Open. Boom, right there. You want to make sure you keep the total supply to 1 billion, guys. Description is official. America versus Ukraine token, right? Something legit. And then you want to make sure you select all these guys. This is what differentiates your coin from low market cap coins that have no potential to run. This basically guarantees the buyer that they're gonna make money. There's not a scam, there's no rug involved. Makes it believable that you're an actual developer trying to make an actual coin. um, so you want to make sure you go ahead and press that. So once this is done, you're gonna go ahead and create a coin. Alright guys, so once you actually create that token, you just have to make sure that you click proceed and you confirm it and you purchase a coin. Now what you can do here is you want to make sure that you copy this token address. Right when you copy this, save it where you can, right? Because once you copy this, you can actually start trading the coin, okay? Now, what you want to do now is you want to make sure you have full control over the coin, because if you don't have full control over the coin, you cannot rug it, okay? So you want to make sure that you could create liquidity pool. Now, this is automatically transfer the token here. You want to make sure that you put max here, 1,000,000, right? And you want to make sure that here you automatically put on, you honestly, you can make it be anywhere, right? But I recommend putting it anywhere from 0.5 to 0.2 so just to add the initial liquidity, okay? So now you want to do is create a pool, okay? Once you create the pool here, there we go. You can actually create this pool. This pool has been successfully created. Now all we have to do is you can refresh this page. You can view the transaction here. There we go. Refresh this right here as liquidity. There we go. Now that we can actually refresh the page, we can actually view this on Photon. As you can see here. Easier. Once you see your coin pumping here, right, you want to go back into, right, memefast.fun, right? Once you see your coin pumping, and you can see it's already pumping. We got Trump and Zelensky coin. You're gonna go ahead and pump this up. You can hold on as however long you want, but you just want to make sure you're quick with it. And so once you see the coin pumping, you're gonna go back into memefast. Now all that I need to do, keep in mind that I only put 5 SOL in there. I still have there. All I have to do is click this button. All I have to do is click right here, this red button. I can remove 100% of the liquidity and I get all my tokens back and then some, okay? I'm doing it here. That way you guys can see, right? 0.4 SOL, for I'm getting it all back right now.